this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 12-volt LED strip lights. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using a 12-volt LED strip light is a simple process. This requires three main components: the LED strip, a power supply, and a connection method. So before wiring it, you must ensure that your power supply can handle the load. Check the LED strip's specification for power consumption, usually listed as watts per meter. So always check the wattage here before starting and calculate the total wattage. So multiply the strip's wattage per minute by the total length of the strip that you are using. Add a safety margin. For example, the wattage capacity should be at least 20% higher, and you will know which power supply to choose. To connect the power supply, the voltage of the power supply must match the voltage of the LED strip. In this case, 12-volt DC. Then you have a few options. The main one is going to be through the plug-in power brick. If your strip has a DC female plug, simply plug the male connector from the power brick into it. Alternatively, you might have to connect it directly. So for the screw terminal type, strip the insulation from the strip's wires, connect the positive wire, or red, to the positive terminal, and connect the negative wire, usually black, to the negative terminal on the power supply. And as soon as you have them connected like this, you will be able to power them on using that power supply. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.